How to add featured photos on Facebook from your phone. If you're looking to add featured photos to your Facebook profile page, you can first do so by opening the Facebook app and then scrolling down to find Edit Public Details. If you click this, you can edit the various profile details that are featured on your profile page. When you scroll down, you'll see a featured section with 9 tiles available. This is where you can add photos, videos, pages, and more that you want to highlight on your Facebook page to show a bit more about who you are and what you like. To add anything to your featured section, you can click one of the tiles or you can select Add in the top right corner of the section. You can then begin adding items by clicking Add More. You can now choose to add videos, photos, and more from your camera roll, your photo albums, your cover photos, your profile images, any mobile uploads, and the pages that you like. If you have more content featured on your page, you may see more options here. We're going to choose to add some of the photos and videos that we already have on Facebook, and then we can select any of the options available. To then add an additional item, you can just click another square and select the content you'd like to add. So now that we have all of our 9 items featured, we can save our changes by clicking Save in the top right corner. If you ever want to remove any of the items, you can just click the X in the top right corner of the square. And if you're sure you want to delete the item, just click Delete. Once your featured section is to your liking, just click Save. And it will be saved to your profile. If you ever need to edit your featured section again, you can click Edit and then make your necessary changes. If we go back to our profile page, you can see that our featured content is now listed on our profile page. And that's how to add featured photos on your Facebook profile page from your phone. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.